Back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make parsley oil that you can use for your skin, hair, and also add to your meal. So stay tuned. To make this oil, I'll be making use of dried parsley. You can also use fresh parsley, but for this video I'm going to use dried parsley because I want this oil to last for a long time. So I'm going to add some dried parsley leaf into a bowl. When I'm done adding the parsley leaves, I'm going to add oil. I'll be making use of grapeseed oil. Feel free to use olive oil, sunflower oil, any oil of your choice. I'm going to add enough oil to cover the parsley leaves. Then I will stir to mix properly. You can decide to put this in a jar and keep it to infuse for some days, but I'll be making use of double boiler method. So that I can extract all the nutrients from the parsley into the oil. So I place the bowl into a pot of boiling water. I will allow it to boil for about 20 minutes. Then after about 20 minutes, I will turn off the heat and allow it to cool. When the oil has cooled down, you can notice that the color of the oil has changed. You can decide to leave it further and put it in a jar and allow it to continue infusing, but I'm going to strain to get the oil. So I'm going to use a strainer to strain to get the oil. Parsley is rich in vitamin A, C, E and K and some other nutrients. It also contains high amounts of copper. You can also use this oil for your hair to control hair loss and also to promote hair growth. Parsley oil is also good for the skin. It will help to lighten spots, remove dead skin cells and make your skin to glow. It will also help to stimulate the production of collagen. Or you can also add this oil to your meal. So when I'm done straining, you can store the oil in a container. You can also check out my video on how I make use of parsley oil to make a serum. I hope you can see how easy it is to make your parsley oil at home. This oil can last at least for 6 months. And I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.